Hello everyone, this is Richmond Ellyse's dad. Welcome once again to their YouTube channel, Richmond and Ellyse. I would like to make a shout out to all the wonderful mothers around the world. Happy Mother's Day! And we salute all the mothers around the world. So tonight I made my own version of chicken ramen. And yeah, I made chicken broth and I put in the ramen noodles. I stir fried all the veggies like the bok choy and also the cabbage and the carrots. I also made grilled chicken seasoned with salt and pepper and cut them into small strips. Fresh tofu fried and cut into small pieces. So they're all cooked now, so I'm gonna mix them all together to make my own version of chicken ramen. Okay, so let's eat. Join me and try my own version of chicken ramen.